Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, number 47, which reads, as used in line 39, matched most nearly means. So we go up to line 39, and I've already got line 39 highlighted, matched in line 39. So there's some things you want to keep in mind when answering this type of question. One thing is, the correct answer is usually not the most common meaning, but don't automatically eliminate the most common meaning. So what do? You read with the word in place, but ignore any meaning of the word that you are familiar with. What else could you do? You could think of your own word that fits before you look at the answer choices. That's too difficult to do for some questions. So what do you do in that case? You could put each answer choice in place of the original. You could also look for parallelism or parallel structure, a word that corresponds, a word that is a synonym before or after. Sometimes you get an antonym before or after. Typically you'll be able to tell based on what the sentence is saying in the transition words. So we read the sentence. The researchers put both mental athletes and a group of matched control subjects into MRI scanners and asked them to memorize 3-digit numbers, black and white photographs of people's faces, and magnified images of snowflakes while their brains were being scanned. So what's logical here? What's logical is that they're going to take mental athletes and people probably from their same demographic, same age, and they're probably going to make those people similar. That would be my prediction. They're going to be similar. And when we look at the answer choices, what we see is the first one, comparable. Comparable actually means similar. Second answer choice, identical. Well, it's unlikely that they're going to be identical unless they were able to take pairs of identical twins, in which case they still are different people, and to do that they would have to be specifying that they are identical twins, and I'm sure that they would specify that in a passage. Answer choice C, distinguishable. If things are distinguishable, you're able to tell the difference between them. Well, I'm sure that the people would be distinguishable, but in order for this study to be valid, we would want those subjects to be similar. And answer choice D, competing. This is not a competition, this is just a study. Looks like comparable is going to be our answer. We could read with comparable in place, and I'm sure that it fits just fine. The researchers put both mental athletes and a group of comparable control subjects into MRI scanners and asked them to memorize 3-digit numbers, black and white photographs of people's faces, and magnified images of snowflakes while their brains were being scanned. It makes perfect sense. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with vocabulary and context questions, or you could tag them in the comments. If there's any video you'd like to see shot from any previous SAT or PSAT or ACT, I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.